The ordinary never appealed to me. I only settle for the fascinating. Sailing, tanning, swimming. I create the theme and the setting. Playing, morning runs, laughing. I pick the perfect residence for my family. Exquisite delights, fashion, art. I indulge all my senses. Mingling, celebrating, fine dining. I enjoy the harmony of each moment. As to the formal, casual, or a mix of both, when I live with my style, I impress. I settle for a glamorous seafront destination, alive with the extraordinary. Rashid Yachts and Marina by Emaar.